Okay, emojis, settle down, please, settle down. Thank you all for coming. Well, as you know, from the calendar on my app, on my phone, there's another big holiday coming up, a day that means a lot to me. Easter is just a few weeks away. Easter is the time we celebrate how Jesus fulfilled his mission here on earth by saving us from our sins. I have a lot of good friends I'd like to share this good news with. And I'd like you, emojis, to help me. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to put on a Easter pageant. You guys are going to retell the whole story of Easter so that my friends can know what Easter is about. Easter starts on Palm Sunday with the arrival of Jesus in the city of Jerusalem. So here's what I need. You, happy emoji. I want you to be the people of Jerusalem welcoming Jesus.
Excuse me, Dave?
You're late. We started casting about 5 minutes ago.
Sorry, I was next door in your Minecraft app, but I heard everything you said.
You did?
Look, I know you have a big, grand scheme for this Easter pageant, but I think you can do better than smiling to be the people of Jerusalem.
I don't know. Happy, he's got a nice face, a happy face there.
Yes, he's got a pretty smile, but there are bigger smiles in your phone. There's the so happy I'm crying face, there's the happy with my teeth showing face, and a surprised but happy face.
So which one do you think I need?
None of them. You should choose me for the party.
I'm afraid we haven't met. Who are you?
You can call me super extra excited happy emoji. Oh boy!
Super extra excited happy emoji?
No, I said super extra excited happy emoji. Oh boy!
Oh boy.
It's all part of the name. It doesn't translate from Japanese too well, but it essentially means I'm the most super extra, unbelievably stupendously excited emoji on this planet, not to mention on your phone.
I guess so.
Come on, Dave. You use Smiley to send messages to your mom, to your best friend Terry, that girl you like, Liz.
I don't like Liz.
Come on, Dave. We all know you like Liz.
I don't like
It's the blushy face emoji you send to your mom when you're talking about it that gives it away.
And why is that?
Look, I'm not here to pick on you about a crush that absolutely is real. I'm here to tell you that I, super extra excited, happy emoji, oh boy, am the only emoji who can play the people of Jerusalem.
And why is that?
Look who's coming to Jerusalem. It's not Caesar. It's not a king, the king. It's not even an Academy Award winner. It's Jesus. Jesus, the only begotten Son of God. Jesus, who was born of a virgin in a stable in Bethlehem. Jesus, who fed the 5,000. Jesus, who walked on water, healed the sick, blind, the disabled, even the dead. Dead people were healed, baby. Dead people.
Well, stop it. You're creeping me out with that.
Jesus doesn't just put a smile on your face. He doesn't make you grin with your teeth showing. Jesus gives you joy. He came to save us from our sins. He deserves our best praise. And you don't get that with Smiley. No offense, Smiley. You get that with me. Super extra excited, happy emoji.
Oh boy.
Oh boy!
Okay, super extra, whatever you said. You want to welcome Jesus to Jerusalem? You're on. Get out there and give your best praise. Let Jesus be exalted on Palm Sunday.
You got it.